Hey, Dad.
Hey,
We'll do a little father and son. You can't see us. Father and son project. We're gonna build a table.
well, we're gonna try.
You can watch here. Hopefully, none of us ends up on America's Funniest Home Videos.
Yeah, we don't want that.
I got gloves over here, tissues, wood clamps, and I got some corner clamps. I got all kind of clamps. And some emergency snacks here too. Okay, did you bring your paper?
Yep, it's in my brain.
Okay.
Tables.
Maybe like this?
Okay,
What do you think?
so you got 2 inches for this thing. There's gonna be some scraps, obviously. So first thing we wanna do is cut these to 40 inches in.
One thing I don't have in this shop is like a marker. I should have one.
Yeah, you should have a marker. I'm not one for using a measure a lot. I do a lot of things by,
Hello. I was wondering if you could take like a pen or a pencil and then just put it by the front door. Yeah, I'm gonna go out and grab it. I don't have anything to do markings with.
pretty square.
How'd I do?
They look good?
Okay. And goggles really aren't your thing. Okay.
You didn't have to take that.
I didn't have to take that off at all.
This will only head in a minute.
This thing gets really loud. Oh, there you go. Got this little light here.
Yeah.
Whoops.
Water with that.
Nice and smooth. Four boards, roughly the same height. How's your hands doing?
Getting a little cold.
Now what? Just go start cutting boards then. Might be my imagination, but I think that's right.
I really want to work on the ground. I picked,
You could use part of the table saw.
use part of this. Now, well, these are going to be your 4 legs.
Okay.
These are going to go to the inside of the tables. To square it up. I don't know how these work. I never really used them.
Sure. This part here is the release. You walk it in like this. You wanna try it? So now what? You drill that nail? I don't know the theory.
I think 3 screws. Put 2 on the inside, 1 in the center here.
Okay.
And then start drilling screws into different screws.
Yeah.
Get it out. It's the second one. My finger's
Ow.
frozen already.
Oh, hey.
Hello. Ooh,
Whoop.
didn't know you had that set up.
Let me get that out
I
of
come
your way.
bearing coffee and chocolate keto chip.
Oh, cool.
That sounds good.
It's my wife.
That's yours? That's it.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna run to the store and get
Okay.
some supplies.
Okay, thank you.
Yep.
That was nice. A little hot drink there. Feels good on my hands. I almost burned my mouth, but then it wasn't too hot. So what do I need to
Do
do?
you have another drill?
I have. Oh, I got this one. Is this not sharp?
This is a doctor. The prescription's ready. Just put just a tiny bit more, not much. Just
Into this one?
Yeah, just a tiny. That's fine.
Here, hold out your left hand.
Is this magnetic?
Yeah.
No? Yeah. I'll use something like this when I'm doing my drywall.
Oops.
It's gotta be, whatever that, the clamps really nice. I don't have any clamps like this. This has gotta come in.
I see. I see what you're doing. I just didn't understand it till you showed it to me just now. So this should be good now.
Feet and my hands are getting a little cold.
Do you need a break? We can go inside.
No, keep going.
Grab it. Go on.
Yeah, well, we've got this snow coming. How many of these you got, clamps? You got enough?
I got clamps for days.
Okay. kind of raise them up a little bit
Yeah.
as we do it. This is 3/4 inch plywood.
Yeah.
This is your strong board, so we're gonna put it up to, just gonna put a couple. So it's gonna be built like a tank, but it's gonna, you got everything on it.
Yeah, you know, that's kind of how I like to build stuff.
Yeah.
Just build it once and then it's good till you die. Is that why it's got that little block on the end so you can hit stuff with it?
Yeah. No, but that's what I use it for.
Yeah, I need one of these. This is way better than the drill I got. Just flip the whole thing on its side here.
Yeah, it should be solid enough.
I'm gonna need like a bandolier for my drills.
Board's over there.
That's a good shot right there. That's the flipping of the table here. There's some teamwork right there. Steal the 4 of them from you. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, that's cool.
So if I'm right, I could drill right here and I should hit the board. I don't know why this makes me so happy that the screws are going to be lined up. You know, I'll strike a pose for this one. Oh, look at that. That is like exact. I need a picture of that. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna send that to Uncle Jeff. Table done? You want to put the last here? Let me get a close up. I want you to put the last one in. This would be. I can get this thing off here. There we go. This thing doesn't like the cold, so the battery's not so great.
You need other drill.
Oh, this one.
You gotta put both these in here.
Oh, I just did the holes, yeah. You know, it's just a super tight angle here.
Yeah, I gotta get one more screws.
Oh, he ran out of screws. Wait, I got one more.
Okay.
Oh, wait, no, it's a screwdriver. It must have hitched a ride on my magnet belt. That's funny. Now that goes over here somewhere. All right.
Okay, last screw, here we go.
All right.
Beautiful.
That looks really good.
Awesome job.
Do you wanna? All right. Well, this here's our table that we built. We're already using it. It turned out pretty good. Well, you build tables more than I do.
Well,
What do you?
oh, great.
Could you just kind of explain what makes a good table to you and how we? Just real briefly. Like I don't need a sermon.
What makes a good table is it's solid. It's level, it's square, it's solid. It's spacious.
So, Well, we can test that. Is it level? It's level. Is it square? Square. Solid?
We're good.
I get-
And actually with your clamps, that's so much easier. They're not so simple that made it possible.
Cool. All right. I'm gonna turn this thing off. I guess we got everything.
All right, see you on YouTube.